In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a profile picture on your Rockstar Games account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log into your Rockstar account. But once you're logged in, you realize that you no longer have a logo here if you have just signed in. To add or change your logo, just click on your profile icon on top here, then head to account. From here, choose manage account. And now here you can make changes to your profile. To add a profile picture, just click on this pencil icon. And now you can select from these available logos that you wish to automatically add your own. For instance, if I want to use a logo or profile image from Grand Theft Auto 5, I can just choose any of these and save the avatar. And as you can see, it has been added. However, should you want to explore more profile image options, click again on the pencil icon and scroll down for more options here. So that's how you can add or change your Rockstar Games account profile image. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.